Alam mo bang maraming digital products ang hindi kumikita? Bakit nga ba maraming mga nag-fail dito sa digital product business? Tayong isang commenter na sabi niya dito is sinubukan niya daw at walang nangyari at for sure wala itong future. Kaya sa video na ito, aalamin natin kung bakit nga ba or ano nga ba ang mga factor bakit nag-fail ang mga digital product business. Sa previous video ko, naibahagi ko na meron akong kakilala na talagang wala siyang nabenta for her digital products. And I've seen these factors or actually things that we can improve on kung paano natin maiwasan ang pag-fail ng digital product business. Bago pa lang kayo dito sa aking channel, my name is Val. I am a momtrepreneur and I do have a full-time job at the same time doing a side business. In this channel, I'm sharing negosyo tips and creative ways on how to do business. So, yun na nga guys, in this video, we will be talking about, again, digital products which is very in demand na ngayon na gawing business. Because one, kung hindi nyo pa alam kung ano ang digital product, isa itong business na meron kayong mga digital, paulit-ulit, meron kayong mga digital products na naibebenta ninyo online, and the benefit of this is that wala na kayong mga shipping fees, wala na kayong mga inventory thingy na gagawin guys, talagang lahat digital na. And if you want to learn more about digital products, you can watch my previous video that I created. But again, I will be creating more of digital products topic. So yung topic ko dito, yung mga factors talaga, actually 6 sila na factor why certain digital products business is not profitable or hindi siya kumikita or walang kita talaga. Number 1 factor dan is mataas na competition. Meaning, marami nang gumagawa ng ganyang klaseng digital product. And kahit mataas ang competition dito, ginagawa mo pa rin. I think the best way on that or the solution is pwede ka namang gumawa ng same thing pero gawin mo siyang valuable and also a little unique. One example is a budget tracker or finance tracker guys. It's common kasi marami naman talagang gumagawa niyan. Pero yung nakita ko dito sa TikTok is nagkakaroon siya ng mga interactive. Meaning, hindi lamang about budget planner yung content or yung ginagawa niya for that digital product. Meron din diyang mga savings tracker, meron din diyang expense tracker. Although hindi naman talaga siya nakakaiba sa iba, pero yung formatting niya, ginawa niyang mas engaging, mas ginawa niyang mas colorful, at mas ginawa niyang mas user-friendly. So, a little unique of that kind of product, yun yung ginawa niya with that budget finance planner. Which is a really good thing. Kasi kahit alam mong marami nang gumagawa niyan, ginawa niya ng a little unique. At ko lang guys, while I'm editing the video right now, is the unique way that she's able to sell is because she's doing storytelling. Meaning, she's using the storytelling method that she shares the story of how her digital product was able to change her life by using the budget finance planner, how she's showing her the way she uses the product. So, para magiging relatable siya sa kanyang mga possible na viewers, audience, and of course, target market. So, that's how you can make a unique and valuable product by showing that you can relate to your audience. Number 2 is maling pag-target ng market ninyo, or meaning paghanap ng niche kung kanino ba or para kanino ba talaga ang digital product na binebenta mo. And my tip for that is you should start with who is this product for and i-combine mo kung ano yung problema. For example, yung sa aking digital product na about cash flow management. So, this is intended for small business owners. Yun, specific yun, di ba? Niche na yun. Small business owners. But if I will be, or parang kung in-niche down ko pa siya, for the problem, so it is intended for the small business owners that has having a problem in managing their own finance, their own in and out of their money. So, nakita ninyo, I did not stick to the target market for small business owners. Yeah, small business owners sila. Pero ano nga ba yung problema ng mga small business owners na to para sa aking digital product. And again, how they manage their own finance, how they will be tracking their own finance, how are they going to track down the in and out of their money. So it's intended for small business owners. Paulit-ulit ako guys, but again, that's how you do a target market. So specifically, who is it for? Plus, ano yung problema ng target audience niya. Number 3 is kulang sa pag-market ng product. Now, on my previous video guys, na-topic ko doon na meron akong kakilala, wala talaga siyang benta because yung pag-promote niya ng kanyang product is only on their personal Facebook account. Hindi nga business account, di ba? So, talagang it's a skill to learn about how to market your product or doing some marketing on a certain business. It's a valuable skill, by the way. So, you need to learn on how to do that. You need to learn paano nga ba umabot yung marketing ninyo para makilala ang inyong product sa inyong target audience. So, again, there's a different kind of marketing for that. You can, the top one that is a free marketing is posting your product in TikTok. Yes, but you can also use the YouTube because I'm only using YouTube to promote my digital product, guys. But if we're going back to, if we're gonna be using the TikTok, it's okay because again, most of the Filipinos are using TikTok in their daily lives. Alam mo ba, I think for the data, billion ang gumagamit every day for that TikTok. So you have that resources to promote your business for free. All you have to do is to post a short video in your business account. In TikTok, you have to create a business account for your TikTok, guys. I-share ko lang muna yung konting tip ko dyan on how you can market your product in TikTok. So, in marketing, you need to post not once. You have to post every day. And of course, you need to make sure na yung SEO is high in ranking, meaning searchable ba ang video mo according sa content ng video mo. So, you need to do some research on how you will be doing some SEO ranking or how you can make your video SEO user-friendly, guys. So, it's gonna be on the description plus the proper hashtags. Now, if we're gonna be using that, so that's the first part. Then the next part would be your video content. For the video content, guys, you're gonna need to start with your hook. You're gonna need to start what is your video all about. You're gonna start with introducing your product. And again, also how it will be benefit for your audience, for your target audience. And how it will solve the problem of your target audience. That's how a short marketing you can do. It's gonna be for free. You can also do the YouTube, but again, it's gonna be a long form video, meaning maybe you can walk through how you can do your how you can use your digital product, no? But I will not be diving more on that because that's a different kind of video na. I will be discussing more of that. So I do hope that you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para by the next time I will be creating more about the digital product, you will get notified. Number 5 is poor user experience. Meaning, kung meron kang nabentang isa, how satisfied is this user or is this buyer or is this customer? And how are you gonna know if that customer is really satisfied with your product? Now, it does not apply if wala ka pag nabebenta, guys. So, it will be the later on kapag meron ka ng nabentang isa. Although you have tried and tested your digital product, but it will also be good an idea if you wanted to know if the one who bought your product is really satisfied. So, the next thing is that comes with our 6th item, which is lack of credibility. You need to have your audience trust you for your product. That's where the marketing in the YouTube takes place. That's where the TikTok marketing takes place because creating video content will be a great way for you to be a reliable resources for them to know na talagang trusted ka na creator of this digital product. Like, we trusted you, you are credible. once you receive that credibility, guys, na you are a good resource, let's say for example me, I'm creating a video content about business, so I already built a name na they can trust me. So that's where a name that they can trust me. So when time comes na na-introduce ko na nga yung na-introduce ko na nga yung digital product ko, they trusted it and they bought it. And aside from that, they knew that this will be an answer to their problem. No, the solution of that is you need to, when your client buy your digital product, gather some testimonials. Testimonials that will prove your credibility. Kahit naman gumagawa ka ng video dyan about any content, if hindi naman nakikita on the front end yung mga feedback or review from your previous clients, the future clients baka mag-alin lang sila, because even though you're there, you're creating content, but they also wanted to hear the side of the customer who already bought the product. Now, after watching this video, guys, alam nyo na ba kung ano yung mga factor na pwedeng hindi ka makabenta ng mga digital products mo? If yes ang sagot mo dyan, then you need to start solving that problem. And by following those tips that I recommend to you, I can guarantee you will get a success on this digital product. Selling digital products will not be an overnight success. Walang ganon na after mong ma-post, meron ka ng benta the next day. Depende na lang kung saswertehan ka. It will actually take time. So, based na lang sa experience ko, when I was introducing my digital product, that was around October, nabenta ko lang siya or nakakuha na ako ng leads maybe after few weeks that I created or I posted that video. Hindi siya agad-agad na pag-post ko, meron na talagang bumili or meron na nagpalista that they are interested with this product. So, if you're just doing this for only 1 month, 2 months, that's not enough. I recommend if you want to start this digital product, you already have that product, guys. All you have to do is to have a proper marketing para makabenta ka. And the proper marketing will not only happen for only 1 month. You're gonna keep doing it every day for the next 6 months. And it's gonna be a different video na. I will be creating that video how you can have a system on promoting or like guide on how you can promote your digital product for the next 6 months. So if you are again interested on that content, please go ahead and subscribe now. And if you felt that you have friends, family who might be needing this kind of content, please go ahead and share this to them. Like this video, guys, because the more that people will share and like our video, the more that YouTube will recommend this to the right audience. And it's a small way of helping me to grow my community. Thank you so much for watching, and I do hope na nagustuhan nyo ang video na to. If you are still up until this end of this video, I want you to please comment down marketing, so I would know kung sino nga ba ang tumatapos ng aking video. And again, this is Val. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys!